guys, how you doing? It's a boy Jay, as you can see. Yeah, man. So right now I'm running with a brand new YouTube channel called Maggy Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When I Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. So I just want to thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere, to tune in and subscribe.
You sleep free.
Say how you like, but more see how you drive.
Like so fresh. Are you there hold it up so you can see chewy? Good. Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
See it there.
You eat for free. You all defecate for free.
The other day I come out here, so, and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time, and then take my papers, and then take my license, and now make them do it again.
Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how to talk to you already, man.
So lady, I stop. I'm now move till it green.
What is on?
Am see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
Hey, Siri. Spell Anthony Williams.
We put down a little sitting to write if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A.
This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right? Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they funny.
Upon checking, realize that around 5 to 6 months now, you have not made a payment, so I'm here to retrieve the funds.
Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read.